is Michael with the Vision Experience, and in this video we're going to talk about 2D to 3D conversion and how it works with this custom 7.1 3D system that we've built for Outback Pictures in Darwin, Australia. Now, the 2D to 3D converter will work with any of your video input sources. That means it can be your video, S-video, component, HDMI inputs that we have pre-wired on the side of the case. That could be your cable, TV, watch the game, live cameras, you name it. The only requirement we need to do is to make sure that the image has 1080p. Now, as long as it's 1080p, we can convert it to 3D. Well, one great thing is that on the UMC1 receiver here, anything that you plug into this will automatically be up-converted to 1080p. So there you go. Anything you plug into the side of this case with all those different options or these two DVD players can give you a 3D image. The way that works is we've taken the output from this and we send it through the 2D to 3D converter. Then we take an HDMI output on the side of the case over here that's marked 2D to 3D converter, and that comes out of that converter and goes straight into the projector. So when you plug your HDMI into that to your projector, now anything that goes through this receiver also goes through the 2D to 3D creator to your projector. Now if you're not playing or do not want 2D to 3D conversion, simply keep this unit turned off and the signal just passes through unaffected and you'll get whatever you're in will be going out. Now, how do we convert it to 3D? What does it look like? How does this work? Well, let's start with the fact that it will, first of all, it will convert the 3D with anaglyph glasses, which can be seen on any projector, any 2D, any regular display, and with the 3D shutter glasses, which you can see with a 3D ready projector or some 3D televisions with the compatible glasses. Now, the way you do it is so simple. On the converter, you've got a button here that says select, and you're just going to push that until the green button here scrolls over to where it says 2D TV. We have a little arrow for that. What's happened now is the image has automatically been converted to 3D for the anaglyph glasses. And with these anaglyph glasses, I look at it, absolutely positively a 3D image. And the button to the right of that says 3D effect increases and decreases the intensity of the 3D, so that way, depending on your image, you can kind of do some fine-tuning with the anaglyph. And once again, this is a 3D ready projector, but it would play in a 2D television. Any regular display, your images are converted to 3D. Now, what about converting that image for use with the 3D ready projectors with the shutter glasses? Well, all you do, go down to select, scroll that green light over two spots to the right. We have a little arrow there that shows you where it goes, and that's it. You're automatically converted to 3D, and that is 3D with the shutter glasses. It's a very high quality image. It's a great 3D image. Even with this old grainy video, it just looks awesome. So you'll find a lot of things will look great through this process, some not as good, but it's a great feature to have. And you can take the game, take live cameras, take an old classic movie, and have a lot of fun with it. So 2D to 3D conversion, a very simple and easy process and a great feature in this 7.1 custom system.